Learn the meaning of these 14 English idioms to improve your vocabulary. Swamped. Swamped means very busy. Example, I can't have any more projects, I am already swamped. Instead of very busy we are using swamped. Pissed. Pissed means angry. Example, don't bother him, he is really pissed. Instead of using the word angry we can use pissed. Nodded off. Nodded off means to fall asleep. Example, during the ride, the child nodded off. Getting cold feet. Getting cold feet means to get scared or panic. Example, the whistleblower got cold feet at the last moment. Give me a break means leave me alone. Cut me some slack means going easy on someone as he or she is in some problem. Drop dead gorgeous is used as a compliment to describe a very beautiful woman. Not rocket science means something that is not difficult to understand or execute. Example, this is no rocket science. Once in a blue moon means something whose occurrence or sighting is rare. Example, such events are seen once in a blue moon. Tying the knot means getting married. Example, when are you tying the knot? Faffing around means wasting time. Example, stop fapping around and concentrate on your studies. To keep something under the wraps means maintaining a secret. Putting a lead on it also means to keep a secret. He is so into you means he likes you. Thanks for watching. Hope you have liked this video. Click and subscribe to watch more such videos.